Let's describe a picture. Start. In the picture, I can see two children, a dog, a duck, flowers and trees. Who? What? There is a dog. There are children. Where? When? They are in the park. It's summer. Actions, details. The boy is eating ice cream. The girl is drinking water. The dog is sleeping. It's sunny. They are happy. Review.